All right, what's up, guys? So today we are at the southwest side of town, and we're gonna get ready to check out these homes by DR Horton right here. And the southwest has a special place in my heart because I live on this side. And the reason why I want to share these townhomes because this is probably one of the best deals you're gonna find right now in all of the valley, especially if you want to live right here on the southwest. So they've got 4 models to choose from, ranging from 1319 square feet all the way up to 1437 square feet, and they're all under $400,000. So if you stick with me all the way to the end, I'll go ahead and take you to one of my favorite breakfast spots, which is right around the corner. Like I said, I live on this side of town and I love it. I mean, there's beautiful parks out here. It's a very family-centric community, very close to the freeway, the shops over here. You've got Mountain's Edge, which is right across the street. And these houses right here are right now are starting from 340,000 all the way up to 369,000. So today we're going to check out the 1319 square foot model along with the 1417 square foot model. So let's go and check these guys out. Again, this is 3 beds, 2.5 bath. It's going to have a 2-car garage in here. And the reason why I like DR Horton is basically what you see is what you're gonna get. And right now they've got unbelievable prices for this townhome unit. You can see how spacious and open we've got here. And all these homes is gonna be fully spec'd out, meaning they've already selected all the options for you. All you gotta do is pay for it and move in. All right, so as you can see, you're gonna get the hardwood floor right here. To our right, that's going to be your main living area. It's got 2 nice sized windows right there. And then to your left is going to be your main dining area. What I like about this house is you're going to have this nice breakfast counter. They've got it modeled with 3 stools, so you can see how comfortable it is. If you've got 3 individuals sitting there, they're not going to be rubbing elbows or anything like that. And right here is going to be the first powder room. So nothing crazy, but it's always nice to have a bathroom downstairs. Here's going to be your kitchen. Now, the appliances that's going to be included is going to be your fridge, fridge, dishwasher. You've got your stove and a microwave. So, give you a view from this side right here. So again, you can notice how open this floor plan is, and although it's just a little over 1,400 square feet, this right here, just being downstairs, definitely feels super spacious. All right, so this is going to be your pantry right here. So pretty good sized pantry. Let's go ahead and head upstairs and check out the bedrooms upstairs. So again, the reason why I like DR Horton is they make it super simple. Everything that you see on the list for the price is what you're going to pay for out the door. Now walking up, what's really cool is you're going to have this nice little loft area. Again, it's crazy to me how they fit this house or list this house as a little over 1,400 square feet, because it definitely feels much larger than what it is. So that's going to be your first primary bedroom, and the additional bedroom is going to be this way. So let's save the primary bedroom for last. All right, so let's check this out here. So got a nice little storage closet, linen closet right there. All right, this is going to be for the washer and dryer right here. So pretty spacious. I mean, you got a nice shelf right there, so you can store a few more stuff there. If you'd like, you can add some cabinetry in the long run right there. What you'd like to do after you buy it, be up to you. So to our left, you're gonna have the first full bath right here. So you've got the tub shower combo right here. It's gonna be a single sink, nice cabinetry that matches the downstairs cabinets. And then right here is going to be our first spare bedroom. Really good size. Got a window right there. Got your sliding closet doors. Not too bad. They've got a full-size bed in here with 2 pretty good size nightstands right there. Give you an idea of how much space you're going to be working with right here. So let's move on to the next one. They've got this modeled as an office, which is really nice. So I know a lot of us since the COVID days has all been working from home. So this would be a nice little space for you to work from home. Or if someone needs to live in it, another good sized bedroom. All right, check out this primary bedroom right here. Really nice. So you've got a king bed right there, 2 large nightstands right there, 2 large windows right here, letting in all that natural light. So again, you can see that little grassy area right here and a little glimpse of the community. Let's walk into the full bath here. So you're gonna get your walk-in shower right there. Pretty good size. Again, single sink, but you do have this good size walk-in closet right here. Not bad. This is gonna be your smart panel right here. Right now, this house is going for $469,000, and again, they've got just a handful of lots left. So let's go ahead and move on to the 1319. Now, before we continue with the rest of the tour, if you're enjoying these houses, any of the features, or my channel at all, I'd appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and that notification button. That way I can update you with future tours and videos. All right, let's carry on. All right, let's move on to the 1319 square foot model. Again, they've got 4 models, this being one of the smaller ones. But again, it's gonna have a 2-car garage, which I like because I do prefer a 2-car garage versus a single garage here. So right from the entry, nice open floor plan, very similar to the larger floor plan that we just walked into. We're standing right now in the main living area right here, facing the kitchen right there. Now they've got a little nook right there. That's going to be where obviously they got it modeled as your dining area. So they've got a little circle dining table right here with 4 chairs. The breakfast counter right here. They got a model with 2 chairs, but just like the other one, I'm sure you could fit 3 stools there very comfortably. So with DR Horton, you're going to have the granite countertops right here in the kitchen. You've got the undermounted single basin sink right there. Again, you're going to have all the appliances included. The only downfall that I've heard or complaint that I've had from some other buyers is it is not a gas stove. So it is an electric stove right here. And you're going to have the microwave, of course. But nonetheless, you're going to have beautiful cabinets, nice shaker cabinets right here. To the right is going to be the first powder room, or the only powder room. This is going to be the door to the garage. So in these homes or these townhomes, the garages are in the back of the property while the front door is on the other side. So this one actually seems to have a much larger storage space or pantry than the other model that we just walked into. This is actually really a good amount of space. So again, hardwood floors on this one. You've got 8-foot ceilings, okay? But again, the fact that this is just one open floor plan, again, makes it really, really spacious. Let's make our way upstairs here. All right, got your coat closet right there. All right, making our way up here. So this one does not have a loft like the other one. They has this nice little landing area, which is pretty cool. Doesn't make you feel all cramped with all the rooms all just kind of clustered together. So I do like that. But again, I know some clients of mine, they prefer having a loft over this little landing. So that's going to be the primary bedroom right there. We'll save that for last as usual. And let's walk into one of these bedrooms. Okay, really nice. Got the sliding closet doors. I love walking through these models. Always gives me a lot of ideas on how I want to design my house. So this is going to be the little laundry area for your washer and dryer. Got your full bath right here. Again, you got your fiberglass tub shower combo right here. Single sink. And bedroom number 2. Again, they've got it modeled as an office, which is it's a really cool desk actually. I like how they modeled this actually. Very outdoorsy theme, which I like because I'm a pretty outdoorsy person myself. Really, one of the big advantages of living out here in Las Vegas is you're within proximity of really nice national parks. I mean, we've got Red Rock State Park right behind us as our backyard, and then we've got Zion National Park, which is about 2.5 hours away up in Utah, and then 4 hours down south you've got the Grand Canyon. So if you're an outdoor type of person, you're gonna like living in Las Vegas. All right, so we are in the primary bedroom. That's a nice huge bed right there. Again, you got 2 large windows letting in a lot of natural light. Now the closet on this one, it is a walk-in closet, but I want to say the other one is much larger. But nonetheless, still a lot of space right there. And then to your right here is going to be the primary bath. So single sink, you've got a nice walk-in shower right there. Really nice bathroom, actually. Now, being that this is the smaller model that they offer, this is going for $354,000 currently for the next release, and that's because it has a 2-car garage. Now, the next model up from this does have a 1-car garage, and that's starting at $340,000 right now. All right, so really not bad. Hopefully you enjoyed that tour. So again, these townhomes are probably going to be one of the best deals you're going to find if you want to live here in the Southwest. There's not a lot of townhomes that are going for this price. So again, the lowest amount is going to be about $340,000, and for the larger models, they're going for $369,000. Now, I mentioned before another reason why I like this community, because typically a lot of the townhomes and condos right here, the HOA is going to be about anywhere from $150 all the way up to $250. So the HOA is only $89. That is unbelievable. Like I said, a lot of the townhome communities out here are roughly around $150 all the way up to $250, depending on the amenities that you're going to get. All right, so like I mentioned, now that we're done with this tour, I want to take you to one of my favorite breakfast spots called Baby Sacks. Let's go. All right, so I got some good news and bad news. The good news is we made it to Baby Sacks safely. The bad news and the super fail is I totally forgot they close at 2 p.m. every day. Obviously, they just only serve breakfast and lunch until 2. But again, I wanted to bring you guys out here. Baby Sacks is one of my favorite breakfast spots out here in the Southwest. They specialize in like Filipino, Hawaiian fusion meals. They're really known for their great pancakes and of course their adobo fried rice. So if you're on this side of town and looking for a great spot, shout out to Baby Sacks Cafe. Well, I guess that kind of wraps up the video. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you've got any questions or plan on purchasing a house here in Las Vegas, whether it's a resale or new construction, I'll drop all my information down below, and I look forward to meeting you guys. All right, guys, see you on the next one.